welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this very glam New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. In today's look I just did this black smoky eye with some beautiful like gunmetal gray purpley black glitter, and I'm obsessed with this glitter. Like, you guys, I hope the camera's doing it justice. Honestly, this is like such a beautiful color. I don't want to talk too much in the intro, so I'm just gonna get right into it. If you guys want to see how I created this New Year's Eve glam makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be jumping around with shades from different palettes. So I'm going to start off with the Naked palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to take the shade Naked. It's just kind of a neutral shade, and I want to get this to be my transition. So that shade is a little light, so I'm going to take the shade Buck right here. I'm going to use a fluffier brush, and I'm just going to buff out that shade and make like it warmer. I'm going to pick up Smooth Criminal. I'm going to try and use this to kind of deepen up the crease. Then I'm going to pick up the shade in Prowl on an even smaller brush, and I'm going to put that lower than that one. So right here lower, like pretty much on the lid. Just kind of blend that up into the crease. So now I'm jumping into the ABH Sultry palette. I'm going to take the shade Noir right here, which is obviously a black. I'm going to pack this on the lid. Now I'm just going to go in with the Buck shade, and I'm going to just kind of like diffuse the edges. I'm just going to take this NYX glitter glue. Just going to like squirt a little bit of this out and pick it up with my brush. I'm going to pack this on eyelid. It's gonna dry clear. I'm taking the NYX glitter in Gunmetal. I'm just going to stamp it on the eyelid. Just gonna clean up the under eyes with a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to apply some liner and lashes, and I will be right back. So I applied my Ardell Wispies to my eyes, and I did do a wing. Alright, so I'm going to use the same primer I use like every video, just because I'm kind of obsessed with the way it makes my skin look. So this is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I know my face looks really weird. It's like wicked red because the light is on, and it like, my face is so sensitive, it's bad. And my face is going to get even redder after I apply this, but I promise we'll be applying foundation right after, so I won't look like a maniac. This is the Fenty Beauty. Sad that I'm pale enough to wear this right now because it's a shade 190. I don't want to talk about it. But this is one of my favorite foundations because it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna put this a pretty decent amount on my face. Okay, so now that I look a little bit less freaky, I need to cover these crazy under eye circles. And I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers. So I'm just going to work one like eye at a time because it dries pretty quickly. And this is a little bit light for me, but we're going to blend it in and make it work. This is my favorite powder of all time. This is the MAC Patrick Star powder. They came out with this last holiday, but I'm basically just going to bake my under eyes. I'm like doing a real hardcore old school bake, just like completely. Anything that's kind of left over, which is a pretty decent amount, I'm gonna use to set my lip, chin, and forehead. I'm actually gonna use to set my whole face. I just kind of like stamp it in, and this gives me like a smooth finish everywhere and ensures that at that New Year's Eve party nothing's gonna be, you know, slipping. I'm gonna focus on the tip, and I'm gonna go pinch my beauty blender like this and just draw this line down the center of my nose, just like kind of to accentuate that area. And then I'm going to put any of that excess in the center of the forehead predominantly, and then there's pretty much very little excess that I'm just going to use to put all over. I'm going to take this right off immediately, so I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to just, whatever brush you want to use, I'm just going to sweep away the excess and blend it out. Taking these two shades right here, and I'm going to start just by kind of starting at the brow. I'm being very light, like barely touching the sides. Just going to kind of contour the sides of the nose a little bit. I just want to snatch a little bit, a little snatchy snatch, a little more than I normally do. I'm going to just kind of blend this along the sides of the nose. I've never really done like kind of a snatched nose on my channel, so I just kind of wanna, I just think new year, new me, you know? New year, make it look like I got a new nose. I'm gonna use the same two shades I used to contour my nose, obviously. I want to contour with the same shades. And I'm just gonna do contour on the rest of my face, so. gonna go right here. Oh yes, that's snatched. I'm gonna take some of my NYC Sunny bronzer to give me a little bit more of a tan. So this is Tarte's Do Not Disturb. Taking this because this is a really nice shade and I like putting a decent amount of blush on. This is my current fave. This is the Becca. Oh my god. Do you see this? Do you see what just happened? Becca, what the fuck? Oh my god, the entire highlighter, it didn't shatter or anything, thank god, but it all just came out of the pan. This is the shade Vanilla Quartz, and I'm just going to, yeah, you know, I'm just gonna do it on all of you right now. I'm just gonna spray my face with the All Nighter setting spray. This is just a necessity for like any makeup look that you want to actually last. So I'm just gonna soak my face in this real quick. Okay, so I don't even remember what palette I started with, so that's good to know. I'm gonna go right into the Naked palette. I'm gonna take the first two shades and I'm gonna mix them. Buck, this one's Buck, and this one's Naked. And I'm just gonna use it on the brush and the palette just because I'm going to, you know, whatever. Might as well use this shit. And I'm going to blend this on the lower lash line. So... I'm going to take Smooth Criminal on a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm going to kind of blend this into that shade, smoke things out, you know. Take the shade Prowl on a smaller brush, even smaller. I'm just going to put this a little bit tighter than the other few shades. So I'm picking up the black shade. I'm using a flat brush. And I just want to kind of smoke this into the liner. So I'm almost like, I'm going on top of my lashes, kind of, my lower lashes, just kind of like I'm about to stamp it into the waterline, but I'm not. This is MAC's Whirl lip liner. I'm just going to outline my lips with this. I'm gonna use MAC's Honey Love lipstick, and I'm going to put this in the center of my lips. This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream, and this actually looks so good on a nude lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, kind of old school like I used to do, just basic makeup tutorial, and I miss this a lot, so you can expect weekly uploads from me from here on out. You can expect more content on my Instagram, AlexandriaBeautyxo, and my personal Instagram, AlexandriaBeautyxo. Let me know what videos you want to see from me next year. If you guys like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you guys want to be notified of when I upload videos, you can click the bell button and get a notification for when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!